Okay, in this video we're going to go through the two check tests that were set for week 2, which had the title Microscopes. The first thing we're going to do is look at this check test here. So what's the first step when calculating an average? The first thing we do is we add all the numbers up in the sequence and see what we get. That is also known as summing, S-U-M, summing the numbers. Second step when calculating an average is to divide the sum, so the numbers added together, by however many numbers were in the sequence. So if we had 10 numbers in the sequence, we added them up and the sum was 100, then it'd be 100 divided by 10, which gives us 10. For this question here, it asks us to add the numbers up. So let's do that just now. So it's 5 plus 11 plus the numbers have actually done it wrong. So 5 plus 11 plus 15 plus 20 plus 25 plus 61 plus 4, which should give us 141. So 141 is the sum. If we divide that by the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the 7 numbers we have, the answer you get is 20.14. Now, to round that, 20.1 is rounded to 20. So the closest number we have is this one. So if we submitted it, hopefully we would find that I got that right. For the microscope one, this is what it works. Put these steps in the correct order to show how to use a microscope. So the first thing we would do is we select the lowest power length first. This makes sure that we don't forget to do it at any point in this sequence. So you start with the lowest power lens, which is D. You then place the slide on the stage with the specimen centered over the hole. You would then look from the side and make sure the stage as it rises doesn't touch the objective lens. So it's D, then B, then C, and then finally look through the eyepiece and focus the stage down away from the objective lens. It's the easiest way to make sure that you don't accidentally focus up and smash the slide or the lens, which are very, very expensive. The eyepiece on all school microscopes that we have is a magnification of 10. If a pupil was looking through this and the objective lens also had a magnification of 4, what would be the total magnification? So we multiply the numbers together. So it's 10 multiplied by 4, which gives you 40. 10 plus 4 is not how you would do this. So the answer is not 14. Multiplying the magnification. So the eyepiece on the school microscopes has magnification 10 still. If the total magnification was 400, what was the objective lens? So if you want to do algebra, it's 10 multiplied by x equals 400, and you would rearrange to get 400 over 10 equals 40. But yeah, so you take the total magnification and you divide by the eyepiece magnification. If you do that, you would get 40. And again, if we submit it, we would get, hopefully get the answer. So hopefully that made a little bit of sense. If there's anything that you're still struggling with, please do ask me in the chat. And the internet has broken, so luckily you don't get to see whether or not I got it right.